guys, this is Srijani from the beach. It wasn't very long ago that the world of biking was confined to being a male-dominated sporting affair. Well, we have a Wonder Woman with us today who made us realize that traveling on motorbike around India isn't probably as difficult as it is usually made out to be. Hi, Amrita.
Hi, Shriji. Hi, guys. Yeah.
So, last year, you undertook an expedition from
Right.
Kanyakumari to Leh,
Leh,
Kashmir,
right.
in record time.
Yes.
So, how has been the experience?
So basically, to start off, it was something that we wanted to push ourselves. When I say we, it was me and my friend, my partner Shubhra, and we called the expedition as the Long Highway. This was something to push ourselves, not to create any record in the first place, but in the second place also to tell other women riders that India is a safe country and you can travel or ride by yourself. So this was something, and that's how this expedition started. So we have done a lot of touring in the country by ourselves. So this was something we thought, okay, let us just check if we are on ourselves on the road, how can we perform? And without any external support like a backup vehicle or tools or a mechanic. So we were all on our own. So we had our own tools and stuff, and this is how we just wanted to try it. Yeah.
But tell me one thing, has distance been never something of a bother to you both? I mean, didn't you two have to overcome any fears during the process?
No, so for this point, so we have been riding together for about 9 years now. So and we understand each other's dynamics and the way we ride together in a group or by ourselves. So we've gotten that understanding for ourselves, and there was no issues in terms of both of us riding together. So I could understand her pace, she understands my pace, and that's how I guess we completed this journey.
So when did you exactly start bike riding?
So I started bike riding when I was about 23, 24.
Oh, that's too early.
Yeah, 24 was I think back in 2011.
Okay.
So that's how it all started, and so I have been riding a moped and I've been driving for quite some time. And Shubhra was the one, in fact, who inspired me to ride because she got herself a bike. And she said, just try it, take it one day and probably you'll get a hang of the gear.
So, Amrita, what according to you should be the basic precautions that one has to undertake while taking up such an expedition, such a long distance journey?
Yeah, I understand. I think the precautions mainly would be your biking gear, like helmet is obviously the utmost important. And also your guards. There are so many biking gear out there today. Like we have a lot of options. Like back in 3-4 years back, there were not many options. But today there are a lot of options which is feasible, and you need to get a proper riding jacket and riding pant, boots, and make sure all your guards are in place. And that should be the utmost. Yeah.
So in India, the concept of women probably riding bikes is still a rare phenomenon.
Right.
So on a similar line, what's your message to the women bike riders in India? Probably this bike riding thing is still growing in India.
Right.
What do you think?
Right. So what I have heard from majority of women right now is, they always want a male partner by their side when they are riding. So either their husband, either their brother, either father, or either a friend or someone. So what I'm trying to tell you is, it need not be that. You can start off with the bike learning experience with yourself. Probably like take help or something, or when you take expeditions, there need not be a male partner with you. So it's as simple as picking a bike, getting on top of it, and starting to learn to ride. It's that easy.
Amazing. So what's next for you two?
Next, both of us are planning to explore Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. So this is the west of Arunachal Pradesh. So this will be a special trip for us because both of us will be riding with our husbands.
Oh,
yeah,
amazing.
Yeah, so this will be a special trip for us. Looking forward to that.
Very nice. So any message that you would like to convey?
Yeah, I would definitely encourage more women bikers to not wait for their counterparts or male partners to encourage them for them to learn bikes. You can just go out there, explore. India is a safe country. It's never too late. you can just wear on that helmet and boots and start riding. Yeah.
It was great talking to you.
Yeah. Thank you. Nice. Thank you.